Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Capital One 360. Review my usage experience. Capital One 360 is an online banking platform offering a range of financial services, targeting individuals and families looking for convenient and accessible banking solutions. Key features include checking and savings accounts, CDS, auto loans, and credit cards. Their website provides details on all their offerings. Capital One 360 emphasizes ease of use, with a clean interface and 24/7 online access. They highlight no hidden fees or minimum balance requirements for many of their accounts, promoting a transparent pricing structure. They position themselves as a modern alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. You can easily check availability and open an account directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Capital One 360. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. I opened a checking and savings account online in about 15 minutes. The entire process was paperless and very user-friendly. Navigating the website and mobile app is intuitive. I especially appreciate the dashboard, which provides a clear overview of all my accounts and transactions. Transferring money between accounts is a breeze, and setting up automatic bill pay was super easy. Performance-wise, the platform is very reliable. I've never experienced any downtime or glitches. I had a quick question about international wire transfers, and their customer support responded within a few hours via email with a comprehensive answer. I was really impressed by how quickly they resolved my query. The standout feature for me is definitely the automatic savings tools. I set up recurring transfers from my checking to savings, and it's helped me consistently grow my savings without even thinking about it. One minor drawback I've noticed is the limited number of physical branches. While this hasn't been a major issue for me, it might be a consideration for those who prefer in-person banking services. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Capital One 360. It offers a great combination of convenience, functionality, and competitive rates. That's my overview of Capital One 360. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.